Senator Bato de la Rosa confirms he was the last passenger who boarded the helicopter which crashed in Gimba, Nueva Ecija on Saturday, February 1. In an ambush interview on Monday, February 3, De La Rosa says he boarded the chopper with body number RPC 3424 on Saturday, adding he did not feel anything unusual before and during the flight.
Inapit lang ako sa Baguio, dahil pag uwi niya, yun na. I don't know, kasi pinick up nila ako doon sa Imus, Cavite. Hindi ba nagpatay na makina doon? Umaandar mo yung makina. Saka very smooth man yung flight namin going towards Baguio.
Earlier, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines reported that the helicopter departed Manila at 10:22 a.m. on Saturday and headed for Baguio to drop off a passenger. It then took off from Baguio at 11:51 a.m. and landed at Binalonan, Pangasinan at 12:05 p.m. for refueling. Citing Binalonan airport officials, CAAP said the aircraft experienced difficulty restarting its engine before departing at 4:30 p.m. Authorities later confirmed the chopper crashed at Purok, Arimungmong, Barangay San Miguel in Gimba, noting the lone occupant, a female pilot, did not survive. According to De La Rosa, he was told that the pilot volunteered to escort him to Baguio. He adds that the female pilot's father is very close to him and former President Rodrigo Duterte.